I think what I see right now, we collect a lot of data. We just don't have a comprehensive system. We have a certain information system, but it doesn't aggregate it, all the data we need for reporting, for example, for MS, for UIS. But I think a comprehensive system like MS would help us. I think this workshop is really good for a country like mine, a small island country where everybody comes from all the regions and share their best practices. So we can listen and share our challenges, our strength, and learn from that and adopt them and to improve our data back home. So. My experience with the office for the last 3 years, working with ECAP and UIS for reporting has been very successful. I think with the help of Roshan and Joe, they've been very patient and very supportive in providing technical assistance for us, especially when we have to complete the report, the template for UIS, including the new one. So with that, we appreciate all the technical assistance from them. I think one of the, like I said, all the regions come to meet, we share strengths and weaknesses. I think one of the takeaways is not so much to develop big policies, but to take some the initiative the countries are doing and help us use those as some of the strategies of best practices to streamline the works that we do. And overall, we want to see if we can have technical assistance to develop MS for our country in the future. It's one of the regional goods that is prioritized in our country right now.